Well, it is the next day since the last time I worked on it, and excited to, we're gonna start grinding and trying to make all these interior metal pieces look all nice and shiny. But first, after I slept on it last night, I'm gonna go ahead and take the back door cover off. I will use that as the cover, so we're gonna keep it for sure, but there's insulation and stuff that I want to replace on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. Still not gonna do that door yet, mainly because the way that it's attached, in order to be able to get everything off or whatever, I'd have to take the entire door off, and it's cold enough now and still nasty that that's gonna be a nice day project. So I'll get enough insulation to do that door eventually, but as of right now, I've already taken this one off once before, so we'll take that off and then we'll start grinding. Well, that only took way too long and 4 drill bits to get the final screw out, but we got everything off the back door. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and get the insulation off of here. I gotta clean up some of the insulation on the floor, and then up here in the front of the bus, we got insulation up in here, and then over here, and then down the wall a little bit. So that is the last bit of the insulation, other than, again, this door right here. And again, I'm probably just gonna leave it for now, because I'd have to take this bolt and that bolt off and move the entire door off in order to be able to pull it off and re-insulate it. And I think I'm gonna wait until we actually do the insulation stuff, because hopefully this door is perfectly fine. That one, it looks like I might need to get some pieces welded to it. So I can prep that one pretty easily and still be able to drive the bus and close it. This one, if I take it all the way off, it's gonna be a lot more difficult to throw it back on to drive it somewhere. So we'll go ahead and start cleaning stuff up, get the insulation hopefully fully out of here, and then we'll start wire brushing everything down. dusty in here, which is good. Starting to get things rolling. Ran out of battery. I only got like 2 section panels done. So I have a second battery. The only problem is I can't find it. So this might be a longer project than I wanted to, and might involve a run to the store to go get more M18 batteries from Milwaukee, which I wouldn't mind. They'd be helpful around the farm anyway. So I'm gonna run inside real quick. It's almost time for lunch anyway, and my nose is killing me because of the thing that I keep on my face to keep me healthy. So we'll let this rest for a little bit, go charge up some batteries, and come back for more. Well, lunch was good. Batteries charged. Time to get back at it. Well, we're out of batteries again, so good thing is we got a lot of this wall done, or at least pretty close to well on the way. There's a couple things that I still need to do, as far as need to put the grinding wheel back on the grinder and cut some of the bolts that won't come out off. But other than that, it is going pretty smoothly. I'm pretty excited at the fact that these center posts uprights right here, because they had stuff coating them, are pretty much all good, so I don't need to take those out in order to be able to do the sides of them. But we are going to take some of the windows out. I got to take the exit window from there and probably put it either in that one or this one. This window is probably going to get covered over because there may be some sort of a mini fridge cooktop cupboard thing here, but right here is going to be the wall, or where the wall starts, going back for the bunks. So I'm glad I got the wheel for the drill and the grinder wheel. The grinder wheel does a great job of taking stuff off that's way out in the open, but the drill bit one's really nice to be able to get into small tight spaces, kind of like right there, with all the wiring and pipes and stuff that are going up with refrigerant in it. So a little bit at a time, and it's coming along. Yeah, pretty excited. Other project that's going to be coming up is this hatch. We're going to have to do something with it because it is broken right here. It's split. You can actually see daylight up there, and then it's also split up over this way too, right up in there. So that I'm gonna get a new hatch to come in, and then we're actually probably going to put a fan in it. So yeah, that'll be pretty interesting, but then it'll help keep the bunk area cool at night, hopefully, and be able to run it while it's raining out. So we'll see how much more I get done today. Battery's at a full charge, so we'll get back after it. On for the next battery. Our battery down. Unfortunately, I think that's all we're going to get to today, which basically was front wall across and then all the way back to here. Again, not perfect, and then actually almost one side completely. but we still got to do the back and the other side. And the other side might be a little interesting because it's got more cabling and stuff down over here than what the other side had, because a lot of that stuff is still run, whereas everything that was pulled up here was up through the top. So we'll keep working on it. Thanks so much for watching. Truly do appreciate you guys. I think I'm probably gonna go take a shower, get all this insulation and junk off me, but feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, excited to get this bus out on the road so we can come see you guys. So yeah, feel free to share this video, and hopefully we'll see you guys pretty soon. Sweet. See ya.